go, Maryland! There's the Holy Cross slow. You missed it, Jen. That was the Holy Cross slow.
I saw it. I saw it. I had a corner of my eye. Was Madison the one that did that?
Nice, Ryan.
Good, Ryan.
Kayla. I had that. It was twisting. It's going to be perfect. Let's go, Lou. You beeping?
Well, I think Benzel's working from his phone.
Hey, thanks for organizing that. That place is awesome.
You didn't mention that it was just the kids in your thing.
We're not allowed?
No, it's just kids.
Really? Where are we supposed to be?
They didn't have enough. They couldn't fit.
Oh, really?
It was just for the kids.
I didn't know that.
Most parents are going to assume it's for everybody.
So what do we do?
Drop them off. It's like a hotel.
I know, but we do for one place and just
All
find
kinds of
somewhere.
places now.
Yeah. Here we go, side out. Like none. Well, maybe they're the right side, maybe, but they haven't. Go, Julia. Hey, sir. Nobody home. Woo! Nice play. Good play, Leah. Serve, Julia.
Is it out?
It was in. I thought it was in, but I'm not.
Eyes out.
That was definitely. OMG! Let's go, MG! OMG!
Keep it up, MG.
Yeah, that left field to hit the ball over the net. Like literally has not hit, and that's not even like tipping over the net. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying. Boom.
Nice, bro.
Nice front. I think we always need to start playing at 9 or 10. Seem like the girls are better rhythm with their
I
country.
think the week or two. That's all.
You think?
I mean, I think
But I think
playing
we're
better
in
does
sync.
help, but I think it's just because we're getting better passes, because we're hitting this hard, we're free rolling. It's just not the same. Trust me,
Go, Julia.
you see the same thing we saw last night.
We should have played this team first then.
Yes,
least
yes,
get our
that I
confidence.
wish we would have done, for sure. I said that when we were up there. I wish we played this team first and the next team second. Get us warmed up, get us confident.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nice work. Yeah, boom. Wide open. study in the university?
She wants to go into business, marketing, accounting, something financial.
Okay.
Not exactly sure. I mean, ultimately, she wants to do like entrepreneur and business. I don't know. Some type of business.
Yeah.
Which most schools have, so it's kind of like opens up a lot of options.
Yeah.
It's not like she's trying to do something
Very specific of
Yeah.
it, you know.
Oh, that was awesome. Woo!
Come on. Come on, Julia. Come on, shake it off. Shake it off.
She's small.
Yeah.
She's not going to shake off. She's not going to
I don't get it. It was right there.
I feel bad for her. I feel like she's had limited time to learn. When she goes in, she's not going to do it.
Yeah. Hold that hot. Oh. And the last one and this one. It just looks like fundamental. You know, solid platform. Nice, Prada.
We're not going to take it.
I think so. We're at the lucky again. We're at the lucky again. Yeah. Well, she was 100%. She's my favorite. Well, actually, it serves that she was better this year. I wasn't going to hit the ball there. Boom. Finish it up, Brooke.
Why make a bump set of free ball? That free ball should be right on point.
The first one was you should have been on point.
Yeah, that free ball should have been right to button. She shouldn't have moved and just boom, set them up.
Yeah.
So she's scrambling and having bumpers. I felt like they looked better when they played ECDC. I felt like they looked better when they played the first
Yeah.
one. I don't know why though.
Just like this. Yeah. Then left arm's up.
And you'd think that would just be natural.
Yeah.
But why does it food? Oh, jeez, that was fast. I put this away. I thought Brennan finished it out. I don't know what the score is, but
It's got to be 23, 24, 123. Come on, close it out. Close it out.
come on.
Come on, come on. This closes out.